Today we will be discussing some numerical problems based on the density and the relative density. As we all know that density is mass per unit volume, whereas relative density is calculated as density of material upon density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. So, starting with our first problem. The density of lead is 11500 kg per meter cube. The dimensions of lead block is 5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Find the mass of block. Now in this question we are given the dimensions of the block and the density of a lead block, and we have to calculate its mass. So as I mentioned that density of material is equal to mass per unit volume. Hence we know its volume. Volume is 5 into 100 into 20. But as these all are given in centimeter, they have to be converted into the SI system. So on changing it into the SI system, everyone has to be divided by 100. So that will be 100 into 100 into 100 or 100 cube. On solving it, we will be getting 10 raised to the whole power minus 3 meter cube. So this is the volume of the block which is given to us, and density is given in the SI system, that is. Now to calculate the mass, it will be density into volume. So 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 11500, hence its mass will become 11.5 kg. So the lead block which is given to us have a mass of 11.5 kg. This numerical was based on the formula directly of the density. Now let us discuss another problem in which we will be calculating relative density. A body weighs 30 Newton in air and 26 Newton when fully immersed in water. Calculate the relative density. We are given in this question the weight of a body in air as well as in water when it is fully immersed. Now we want its relative density. So as we know that relative density is density of material upon density of water. So if it is given that weight in air and weight in water varies, so we can also write that relative density of a solid in such a case is also equal to weight of body in air by loss in weight. As we can see that there is some loss of weight in air and water. Hence, we can calculate loss in weight. So, RD, that is relative density, is weight of body in air, which is given to us as 30, while the loss in weight is weight in air minus its weight in water when it is completely submerged. So that will be giving you for 30 minus 26. So the weight of a body, RD of a body is 30 by 4. That comes out to be 7.5. As it is the ratio of the same, that is density by density, so it doesn't have any unit. Now let us discuss another problem. What is the density of mixture of 1.5 meter cube of water, 0.5 meter cube of alcohol of density 800 kg per meter cube and 1 meter cube oil of density 1100 kg per meter cube. Now in this question we are given a mixture, and the mixture is of water, alcohol and oil. In this mixture we are said that the volume of a water is 1 meter cube and of alcohol is 0.5 meter cube, and its density is also given, and oil is 1 meter cube and its density is also given to us. So by this we can calculate the mass of water, alcohol and oil by using the relation that mass of a material is equal to its density into volume. So first calculating the mass of water. As I told, that mass will be volume into density. So we know that volume of water according to question given to us is 1.5, and we know that the density of water in SI system is 1000. Hence the mass of the water will be 1500 kg. Now let us talk about the mass of alcohol. If we are talking of mass of alcohol, again that will be volume into density. We are given that its volume is 0.5 and its density is 800. On multiplying it, we will be getting 400 kg. Hence, the mass of alcohol is 400 kg. Now we need mass of oil. Now we are given that the density of oil is 1100, whereas its volume is 1. Hence, its mass will be 1100 kg. So, we can calculate its total mass by adding all of them. Total mass will be 1500 plus 400 plus 1100. That will be giving to us as 3000 kg. Now, we have got the total mass. Now we can also calculate the total volume by adding the volume of all these three. In case of total volume, we are having 1.5 of water, 0.5 of alcohol, plus 1 again of oil. Hence, the total volume comes out to be 3 meter cube. Now, density we know that mass per unit volume. As we have calculated, the total mixture has a mass of 3000 and volume is 3. Hence the density will be 1000 kg per meter cube. This is the density of mixture of alcohol, oil and water. These were the few numericals based on density and relative density. Thank you.